to Edwards. Hindi lang nakabuelo si Brandon, but still good enough for the 2 points.
Good execution that time and unselfish play by Terra Firma. Nice pass by Melesio to the rolling Edward.
As Ferrer goes to the corner three-pointer, it is Pringle who lights it up.
Always play the right play, and that is what Kevin Ferrer is actually doing for his team. He's finding open teammates, and he's not. And the Kevin Ferrer is proving, at least in his last 2 games, not just by scoring but also assisting. And speaking of accuracy from the three-point area, finally nailing one from downtown. That time, natawagan patuloy ng offensive foul si Carino.
Chan from Yang. 3-ball good. Tabla tayo sa 24. At dyan magtatapos ang unang 12 minuto ng bakbakan na ito.
How do you...
Swings into Lamb. Ginchard for 3.
Again, it is just a sin just to allow this guy to have a clean look. Alam mo, at some point, the defense should be stay home. Kumbaga, pagkakuha niya ng bola.
Alam mo ginto. Pringle to the right. Ferrer babawi. 3-ball is good.
Another brilliant execution. Just waiting for the ball to get to him. We've seen it time and again. He's a corner camper. He can shoot with his feet set and he knocks down his second 3 in this ball game.
Siya unang
Kaya ganadong-ganado paglaro.
Speaking of ganado, kita mo naman yung pectus ni Stanley Pringle doon. Taga-Siargao, ah. Baka may discount tayo sa loob. Ganda-ganda sa Siargao ba yun? Lamb scored his 5th and 6 points kanina. This time he gives it up to Pop for the jam.
That is just deflating. Dahil ito si Pop is not really known to be a scorer inside. Yes, he will usually set a screen. He will dive.
Sayang ko yung 5 free points na iyon. So his goal today is to take nothing for granted and make all freebies that are given to him. So far, so good naman. So balik sa inyo mag-.
6 of 7 na so far para dito kay Brandon. They go up to Carino. What a pass! Saktong-sakli.
I like it when I look at the bench of Terra Firma. The coaches really love that play because it is part of yung team concept na pinipreach nila.
7 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists so far this game. Turnaround jumper. Wow!
Nila na, hindi babalik si McLaughlin.
Yung bagong pasok, ngayon lang ginamit, walang problema.
Akala ko makakashoot sila off Edwards pero bintis pa rin yung Leia. That's why I paused a little bit. As a result, after that, watch the offensive execution.
Sexy na Paraiso, Sangalang, Romeo and Ferrer. Merong end 1 na nakuha si Kobe Lamb. Pringle trying to keep Langley behind him. Romeo from the elbow. Ayun na.
Oh, you cannot just stop this guy. You know that sooner or later he's gonna knock it down. Wide open elbow.
Glenn kicks. Ayaw pa kunin ni Chan. Langley glides in. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Dito akyat yung frustration level ng Terra Firma. Lalong-lalo na dahil
Melesio. KO scoops it up and in another and one para kay Chao, KO, Kao, Sao. Dami pangalan.
Raymond. Ayan, mas kilala yan.
Sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.